Balot Part 1. Go.
But of course, you have to get the balot. This is the balot. This is 18 days. Ay, so agtang Mars. And then next is you have to find some crack. Yeah, is the crack. Hindi ko man mag-English lagi.
And then
You open it up like this one. Then just adequate open air.
how big is the open?
Like as big as this. After that,
Okay.
you add some salt. Can you open this one for me?
What is his name?
This one is Tata.
What is he?
My Ninja Turtle. Then you add some salt. This is
Okay.
iodized salt.
Okay.
Then you add some.
What is that?
This is vinegar.
Vinegar with?
Actually, this is sinamak. Okay.
Okay.
You add the sinamak to the balot.
Okay.
Then that's it. It's
Okay,
time
how to eat?
Like that.
Super enjoy.
And then,
Dahil na.
how do you eat the inside?
Kasi wala ko kakaulog.
No, go. Okay, for the sake of art. Okay.
Wala yung upload ay ha.
What is that? What is that?
This is the balot skin.
Okay.
But that's skin.
And the shell behind.
Okay.
This is the pearly shell. You have to sigop the sabaw.
What's sigop?
Sip.
Sip
The
or
sabaw. The sabaw.
sick or suck?
Yeah, you have to like that. Or you can actually
Okay.
get some straw.
Okay.
And next is, as you see, there's
What is that? What is this hair?
bulbex.
Bulbits? What's bulbits in English?
Bulbous is pubic hair of Sumakay ka siya.
Pubic hair of the egg?
Pubic hair of the egg.
There's pubic hair in the egg?
Yes.
Inside egg.
When you open the zipper, there's a pubic hair there. No, all you have to do is to lick the pubic hair.
There's hair in your tongue.
That's the hair you have to. Okay. Next, you have to add salt.
Again?
Yes, to add flavors.
Okay.
Like that.
Oh my God.
Fill it.
No, you finish it. And then how do
Add
you eat?
some.
More salt?
What's yung tatawag? Sinamak. Okay, just enough sinamak. Then you have to eat the
Whole thing.
whole thing.
Oh.
You said,
Ah.
I mean,
Oh. Okay, cut.